How to choose the right MOQ, minimum order quantity on Alibaba. Struggling with high MOQs? This guide shows you how to choose the right MOQs for your business on Alibaba so you can get the best price for your products. MOQ stands for minimum order quantity. This is the minimum number of products that you need to buy from a supplier. A high MOQ can be a problem for small businesses, so you should always try to find a supplier with low MOQ. You can use the search filters to find suppliers with a low MOQ. You can also talk to the supplier and ask them if they can give you a lower MOQ. Many suppliers are willing to be flexible, so don't be afraid to ask. A lower MOQ can help you save money and reduce the risk of buying too many products. This is very important for new businesses that are just starting out. You should always try to find a supplier with low MOQ and a good price. You now know how to choose the right MOQ. Get ready to get the best price for your products. Like and subscribe for more business tips.